Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll demonstrate the process of downloading videos from the VIX website. So, without any delay, let's dive into today's tutorial. To begin, launch your web browser and navigate to vix.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account. If you manage multiple sites, you'll likely be directed to a page where you can choose which site to access. If you have only one site, you might be taken directly to the dashboard. If not, navigate to the dashboard. Once on the dashboard, locate the video library option and click on it. Here you'll find a list of all the videos available on your website. Select the video you want to make downloadable, then click on Set Pricing. Choose the free option and enable downloads. You can set viewer options to allow anyone to watch the video. Save your settings and update if prompted. Now return to your website, and the selected video should be downloadable. This is the primary method. If for any reason this method doesn't work, there's an alternative. Click on the video to watch it. If you have Internet Download Manager installed, a download option should appear at the top of your screen while playing the video. Simply use this option to download the video through Internet Download Manager without any hassle. That's all there is to it, folks. It's a straightforward process. If you found this tutorial helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.